Hi friends, good week. Vladimir with you. Welcome to my weekly review, 20th of June 2011. Previous week was a very nice week, and almost everything we talked about, we discussed about on the weekly review. The previous weekly review was executed successfully, and actually things happened, and all looked good. And I just want to remind you that we are just 1 week before the end of June, and actually before the end of uh, QE2, the halving program from Bernanke. And as I discussed not once, all the market is waiting for this situation, for this period, the end of the period, and to see what Bernanke is going to do now. Actually, all the eyes are going for this Wednesday, 22 of June, 22nd of June, and then Bernanke will release the U.S. interest rate, but probably the interest rate is not about to change, probably, but all the eyes and all the ears will be there to hear from probably the most important man worldwide on the financial market what's going happen next in US. As it looks like now, we are going to have few very zigzagging days uh, until Wednesday. On Wednesday, Bernanke will speak, and then only then the markets will probably get their new move, their new directions. So let's see what can we still benefit from for the upcoming week, probably for the first days of the week. So Euro franc is the first possible nice trend. As you can see, there is a clear downtrend line just right here, and there is a bullish divergence just right here on the MACD and on the RSI as well. Right? If we have daily close above this uptrend line, retest, that should be a call to buy. The stop loss would have to be placed below the last low, and of course, the first target would be respected with the next resistances, right? And probably the upper boundary of the Bollinger Band. On the weekly chart as well, there is a long-term bullish divergence that should take effect, and the market should provide with a beautiful correction. What about the euro dollar, British pound dollar, and the other majors? Well, let's see. That's the weekly chart of the euro dollar, right? We have had zigzagging moves down and up and down. Last Thursday and Friday both finished with up moves after some zigzagging. To be honest, we discussed on the live trading room. For those of you who follow my live trading room, we discussed about a possible as a B move after this down move, and that's exactly what happened. We have B, and correction, A and B moves all the way for a 20 moving average of the 4-hour chart. And now pay attention for the euro dollar, just blocked on the downtrend line, just right here. It could complete a hidden divergence, as you can see. Could complete a hidden divergence both on the MACD and the stochastic. If we have a block around the 143 until 143.60 levels, block and hidden divergence, hidden bearish divergence completed with a bearish 4-hour candle, that could be a short signal for another down move. Pay attention for the daily euro dollar. It also sits yet on the 20 moving average Bollinger Band and on the 50 MA that just was broken. Another interesting thing to view is, despite of these candles, the MACD keeps little flat little bullish, but more flat than bullish slope, and that's a warning sign. It's a warning sign that euro could continue down. And despite of all the candles, even the stochastic never crossed up yet. So a warning sign. About the euro, about the British pound dollar, the same. We have two. Just a second. We have two hammers here, as you can see, on the 200 moving average, right? On the 200 moving average. But the MACD slope still going down. How is that possible? Two hammers mean many bulls, right? Many buyers there. But the MACD slope still going down, and the stochastic still going down. It looks suspicious, and for the possible up move, draw this uptrend line, friends. If we have a daily close below this uptrend line and actually the support, that would be our signal to sell the British pound. So still a lot to follow about the bullish. Well, it looks like little too early, and we will see how it develops. If there will be a bullish signal, I will update it on the blog, of course. What next? Dollar franc, friends, still follows this downtrend line on the daily chart. Well, there is a divergence on any histogram, any indicator. There is a bullish call from the harmonic patterns as well, bullish butterfly that will for long run should take us all the way back to 090 and then to 095, then to 098, and who knows, maybe even to 117, which is the previous high. Everything could happen. It looks bullish. It looks bullish on every chart. For conservative entry, I will still prefer to look for a break above this line. That's about the dollar franc. Still early, but look for this possible up break, because as I mentioned before, Bernanke is about to talk this Wednesday. Everything can happen while Bernanke speaks. Euro British pound did what was expected as for now. Had this up hidden divergence, hidden bullish divergence just right here, as you can see, right? Hidden bull, sorry, and bullish convergence from the RSI created this kicker and had an up move. I remind you that the investors have sell limit at 0.90 to sell the Euro British pound. It looks okay, but it looks like we are going up yet. On the live trading room, we discussed for a bullish entry just right here with our divergence, right? With our divergence, looked it happened beautifully, and we have had nice up move. It still looks bullish for the Euro British pound. 0.90 is the level where the investors will look their sell. And let's continue forward for the next possible thing. Euro yen, friends, please pay attention. This is the daily chart. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down moves. We have a double bottom that could take us easily for a bullish divergence here and bullish move. Also for a down move from here if this divergence will not hold. Why could it not hold? The same. We have two bullish spikes, but the MACD slope is directly down. It is a suspicious situation, so let's see how it develops. Anyway, for the bullish move, I want to see a close above this uptrend line. It's actually a bullish triangle. Close above the downtrend line, and that's a up call. If this support is broken, we are going down. I remind you that the investors are selling the euro yen since 115.60, 100 pips in the money already. 120 is the stop. That's their trade. Australian dollar still ranging, so still nothing to do. New Zealandian dollar we discussed on previous week to sell it with this hammer with the divergence for at least 20 moving average and then to 080. Pay attention, friends. Happened. Well, we got 200 pips moves here, so welcome. That's from the previous weekly review. Right now it holded this support. Still nothing clear. Maybe we will continue up. Who knows? Let's see how the week begins. As for now, I keep neutral for this pair. Swiss yen, friends, another interesting pair. It looks like we are going right now for the 20 moving average Bollinger Band. Then probably another up move for 97, 98. That will complete here a beautiful move of the harmonic and then retrace down all the way. But we could also see a down move all the way to 92 right now. So let's see how this pair will behave. As for now, it is bearish, and we should look only for bearish opportunities. It looks like the best opportunity will come if we have a close below this level, and also close below the support, and also the 50 moving average of the balance of the simple prices, simple moving average 50, and this afternoon line. This combination could lead us for a very good sell just right here. And the last interesting thing, Canadian yen also as the euro yen, friends, as you can see, could provide us with a bullish double bottom just right here, right? Bullish bottom with this divergence. Once again, for a bullish call, I would like to see a close, daily close above the uptrend line, the downtrend line, and for a bearish call, I would like to have a close below the support. Nothing clear yet for this week, as you can see, but it's very, very, very logical because once again, the market is waiting for Bernanke. So in such situations, as I always say, when the market looks like zigzagging, the market looks like not clear, and the daily chart sits on very important levels, all we can do is reducing our risks and keep them low as long as possible until the market is clear and the trend begins. Well, the trends will begin, friends, because first of all, after such thing of Bernanke, and after such important news from Bernanke, the market will definitely choose another trend, up or down. We will see, and the moves will be much clearer, not zigzagging as it happened a lot during the last months, actually, since previous interest rate decision all the way to this one and the speech after end of QE number 2. So that's from the market, friends. Now for the good news, 23 of this month comes very, very soon. This Thursday, actually 1 day after Bernanke. Yeah. I knew when to choose it, right? I begin my new service, and I would like to see you there. Vladimir Forex Signals.com. That's the site. You can sign up for the early bird. Pay attention, I will release a very, very, very amazing gift, well, as I always do, and I promise you will love this gift. So make sure to be there, make sure to sign up and follow it, and I will see you on the next week on the new live trading room, friends. So I just want to wish you a beautiful and nice and interesting week. Of course, when there will be updates, I will update on the blog as I did on the previous week. And thank you very much for your time watching this video. I wish you a fantastic week. Vladimir.